You know, whenever I'm in Maryland, the first stop is always Star Hobby. And that's no exception on this trip here. Even before we went to any train show, we made a stop to Star Hobby. So here is what we saw there. I'm going to walk around through all the aisles so you can see everything that they have in stock. They got a lot of stuff there. Well, since I'm here in Maryland, you know I have to stop at Star Hobby. So we're going to go in there and see what is going on. Cobblestone sidewalks. Alright. Some N-scale stuff over here. Some more military models. Those sides over here. Accessories. Gondolas, billboard roofer, wood side doors. Oh man, they got all kind of all this OM30 stuff here. $50-ton center cab diesel. 260 steam unleaded B. USA trains on this side here, and LGB. Here's a cell too. Here's all the train sets. A lot of train sets. This place when they first opened up, they had a place on Ritchie Highway where you could barely walk through the walls, through the hallways. There's just a couple of rows, and mostly LGB stuff, and a few HI things. Now look at this. Okay. I'm sitting down at one corner. There's the other end of the store there. There's a lot of stuff here. decided to stay another week in Maryland, so that'll give us a chance to go to the train show in Raleigh on November 8th. So if you're going to the Raleigh train show, hope to see you there. And we'll be back on a regular schedule right after that. So see you then.